Okay, my name is Josh Dorsey. I'm the Vice President of Glock Inc. I'm here to proudly support the Special Operations Warrior Foundation. For the last 5 years, we've given them $100,000 a year. The question posed to me is, why do we do this? And it's very simple. The Glock focus has and will remain on those that go in harm's way. And Mr. Glock is very generous in helping out those that do those types of things. He's very generous. There's two charities. And those that have been in harm's way understand what it takes to survive and succeed in a combat situation. And it comes down to one thing. It comes down to the word confidence. Confidence in each other, confidence in the training, and confidence in the equipment. There's another piece to that is anybody that's ever crossed the line of departure in a bad situation knows some of the things that go through one's mind when they do that. And one question always comes up is that what happens if I fall? And in order to ease the trepidation of those across the line of departure is one small way that we say that you won't be forgotten and we'll take care of the families that are left behind. It's that simple. And we also believe that on the equipment side that I talked about earlier, the Glock's the right hand. And why Special Operations Warrior Foundation? Yes, there's a lot of charities and a lot of choices. But when we looked at it and did our homework, so to speak, we realized one of the things about the Glock focus is any donations that we give, we would like to make sure the money gets to where it's intended and not filtered off as a lot of other organizations do. And this is one of the best run charities in the United States, as evidenced by their continually receiving awards that they get for running the best charity in the United States. So that's why we're here.